So here is my digital field observation video report. For the general observation and narrative, the classrooms that stood out to me were the small group and individualized math instruction for 3rd grade and the new teacher observation for 9th grade honors English. Both of these classrooms incorporated organized and well put together classrooms that had the students and teachers engaging equally in a lesson. The students were able to provide positive feedback for the teacher when the teacher asked questions like, "Why is that?" or "Explain to me how you got this." Many questions and clarifications were provided in each of these classrooms while the students were not too noisy or distracting. A continuation of this, specifically within the small group and individualized math instruction, the teacher had a popsicle stick lesson planned for the students. They were to get into small groups and repeatedly answer questions regarding counting different math situations on the sticks. This process stuck out to me because the students remained engaging throughout the entire thing, and it seemed to be effective. The way they had to keep doing the same thing in order to completely understand the lesson was nice on the teacher's part, and she stayed very disciplined in the lesson as well and seemed to expect the best out of her students. And for analysis and conclusions, overall, each video I watched included a very diverse set of students in each classroom. For example, some videos only included one type of group of students from a specific class or a specific area. Each set of students were well behaved and respected their teacher in the classroom. The only thing is that some students seemed to lack energy or motivation for their schoolwork, as they seemed a little tired or unwilling at times. Plus, there are potential students who had language barriers and may have struggled to keep up with certain group works at times when they're working with their other peers and discussing and collaborating on different ideas. To elaborate on this, the video that I had watched recently called Newcomer Math Instruction Complete Lesson included Spanish diverse students who made the teacher repeat many different instructions in Spanish and Spanish only. Although what was shocking about this was that the teacher only taught in English, so I didn't really understand if the students were picking up on a lot of the things she was saying. This classroom in general seemed to be the most unengaged and maybe confused classroom I watched overall, where the teacher seemed to be losing patience at sometimes since a lot of the students just weren't picking up on what she was putting down and just appeared to have a lot of questions. And then finally, relating to lessons that we have learned in the classroom, 3 different things: content standards, cultural differences, and lesson plans. Starting with the content standards, there were many times where it was obvious that the teacher had embedded content standards into their curriculum. They seemed to be following scripts at times in order to complete the expectations of content standards correctly. The cultural differences, like I had said earlier, the classroom culture was also very diverse and racially different each grade. These students may not have been the most privileged or had an advantage economically or socially, but when it came to their education, they seemed to excel. And then lastly, lesson plans. Each teacher accomplished getting their lessons figured out. It was evident in each video that the teacher put time and effort into planning their lessons and just making sure overall that the outcome of them were both smooth and effective for the students.